Wemeli ke Congress na gambe giri ubadeiru dukot jong Public Accounts Committee usaling sangma khalai trik juli ulong bak PAC kalai ke show cause notice ki Principal Secretary Jong Tnad Bapher jong Sorkar ki belai ke kaipot halor ke jingdo nong hakbe de ke jingmi learning revenue loss usangma ulai thuru bala penlong ke jingelang banyatai halor ki sinjam ki banyarap ban pen bahaya kini Tnad bal ban penlong ki bayonong.
Yeah, we had a meeting today about few departments like revenue department, like registration, taxation, stamps, ERTS, and then another one is that transport department and forest and environment department, and even the mining department also, because there are certain areas where we were losing the the revenue of the state. That's why we have given some somoto to all the principal secretaries, which they have not replied to us yet.
Ulai thuru bak jingdo nong joka Tnad lum khajana kalakot chaka prap khandai lang badru ke jingdo nong joka excise duty kalakot chaka sanphu nyau point prap lai klur ye but kiwe de ke jingdo nong.
So these are the areas where we have to check in. Why are the loopholes that is still existing within our state? So that's why we have already called upon these principal secretaries, which they have to give us a reply. We have given another 7 days as to why they are not replying, and what is the reason why they cannot comply, to the to the explanation that has been given by the PAC.